Hey guys, so I'm back with a bare face and I had to film this again because I forgot to switch off the fan, and that's because if you switch on the fan, um, the audio becomes really echoey and stuff. So that's why I had to switch it off and switch on my AC. And I'm literally wearing the long sleeve t-shirt. I was dying to wear this sweatshirt. This is Berlin, and it reminds me of how America has these universities like Yale or Princeton or Harvard, and they have this university sweatshirt. And this one says Berlin, Germany, but I've never been there. I'd love to go there. So yeah, and today I'm going to be showing you how to go from a -0 to at least a +1. There's no such thing as -0. Zero is in the center. So I don't take math anymore, so I forgot everything. But I'm gonna show you how to go from -1 to a +1 or 2, whatever. I'll be like a -1 to a +1, but you might look +10, you know. I know. Also, I'm gonna be doing an orangey look in this makeup little get ready with me thing, because I always wear orange on my eyes. I don't wear on my lips because I don't know, it makes me look washed out. I think orange looks great on a skin tone. It's olivey, warm undertones. It looks great. I don't wear grey eyeshadows or anything. I wear warm shades, and also I highly recommend this palette. Oh, you can see the camera, but this. It smells so good. It smells like chocolate. And yeah, so we're gonna talk. Oh, you can see that. You can see that. I hope my camera doesn't go out of focus. So I'm gonna start with the eyes. I'm gonna use a Maybelline Age Man concealer. So yesterday I was I came back home, and I was trying to make Maggie. I made Maggie, and if someone's watching this happens to not be Indian, that 1% who's not Indian, Maggie is actually noodles, ramen or whatever. That's Indian, and that's really good, and everyone has it here. So yeah, so I was making Maggie, and I was waiting for the Maggie to get boiled. I'm using the shadow, the NYX shadow in the shade LOL. So I was making Maggie, and then I was till the time the Maggie gets boiled, and edit some pictures, because I like editing pictures, and I don't care if people think I'm really extra when it comes to editing and I don't even look like me. Oh, I don't know. So I was just editing some pictures, and then suddenly I would open. If you don't know, I edit pictures on PixArt. So I was doing that, and when I went to choose a picture on PixArt, it showed that I had only 6 pictures in my camera roll, and I distinctly remember that I have at least 500 pictures in my camera roll. And so I was really scared. I was what did I do? I didn't do anything. And it just I have the iPhone 6, so if this one, that's a really pretty cover. But I have the iPhone 6, and I don't know what happened, but all my pictures got deleted, and I had 6 pictures left in my camera roll, and I was so scared for my life. I was just oh my gosh, like I had like so many pictures that I wanted to upload, and like I was just really sad. So then I had to like thank gosh for iCloud. Then I like download like a software on my laptop and I connected to my phone. I got my pictures back, and now I have all my 500 pictures, and I'm so happy. I felt like a tech genius or some, I don't know. So I was really happy. Frick, I want to say something.
2,000 years later.
Kiko Milano is like has launched on Nykaa. It's like a coppery orange shade. It's like so pretty, and I'm gonna use. I'm not clean this brush. I'm gonna use the MAC 239 brush, like a packer shader brush. I'm gonna wet it. I mix rose water, glycerin, and water, distilled water, and I made like this DIY Max Fix brush. So bougie on a budget. Yes. Now I remember. I was like thinking about why don't we have thrift stores in India? Like what? Why?
Why? Why? Why? Why? Why?
But like, shit, I forgot to get eyeliner. Classy. But yeah, like there should be thrift stores here, and I'm using the little mirror on this. But like this, so cute. I love it. Just this shirt, this. The Met Gala was happened recently, and I think that person who won Met Gala for me was Blake Lively. She just killed it, and like I'd love to wear that dress someday. Like honestly, both, and in guys it was Chadwick Boseman. I think that's how you pronounce his surname, and he just killed it. Both were wearing Versace. What's his Blake and Chadwick, but yeah, they just killed it, and they were looking so gorgeous. So many people give spoilers on their story. Like, can't you just say that you're giving spoilers? Also, I'm like putting foundation in this hole in this brush. This is the matte poreless Maybelline one. It's in the shade 322 Warm Honey, and for reference, I'm the shade NC42 in MAC. You know, just if you're my shade, you could use this. I use it anyway in the morning, like it's okay, but like in the night I go like a shade darker, like half a shade darker. But I don't know. I use the shade when I'm going out, like at night. I use the shade. I use the NARS Sheer Glow foundation in Tahoe, and that's like, I think that's like one shade darker for me, but like it doesn't give me flashbacks, so that's why I use it. But this possibly could give me flashback. I think this gives me flashback. Yes, like I bought this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and it's like in the shade Neutralize, and it's so light for me, and I already saw Illegal Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey, and I don't know how much footage I have to cut. I'm talking too much. I'm just here for a good time. I can be annoying, like for the most part, but like I can be entertaining too if you give me a chance. People think like I'm good at makeup, but I'm just like better than them at makeup, so they think like I'm good at makeup. So I'm using like the MAC NC42 to like set the makeup, even though I shouldn't set it because I literally have to go no. I literally have nowhere to go. It's literally 100 degrees Celsius outside. It's like so hot. Avengers Infinity War. Wow. I hated the ending. But like I loved my favorite scene was like when Thor, like he came out of this. Let me see. He like came out of this guy with his little hammer, hammer, hammer. My gosh, highlighter brush. Ugh. I have to get like my highlight pigment did, and I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter Mega Glow highlighting powder in Precious Petals. It's so pretty. I love it. I think like so many makeup artists are so like talented, and I'm just like here like not talented. And like I love singing, but I'm so bad at dancing. Like I just can't dance. Like I'm just the worst. I can't. I'm using the NYX lip. This is my favorite lipstick. I love this. If you see me wearing like a nudie pink, it's this. Most of the time, it's the NYX lip tease in the shade Loki, I think. Wait, yes, Loki. It's so pretty. I love it. Like I hear like people interrupt me while talking, and then I'll forget my train of thought, and it's literally the worst. Also, I'm probably sorry for so annoying you all so much. Only like 1% of the people will watch the end of the video because it's like literally so annoying. But this is a lipstick. And now I'm gonna set it with this. I don't know how beauty gurus do it. They'll be like, they'll do it like Jeffree Star. He like drenches himself with like bougie setting sprays, and then he does it so effortlessly. He does it so effortlessly, and I'm just here like squinting and trying not to get in my eye, but I know. But we're gonna get Jeffree Star Professional up in here. So let's do this. At the count of 3, 2, 1, we're gonna do this. Okay? Grab your setting spray, and we're gonna do this together without trying to squint and do it like effortlessly. 3, 2, 1. Let's.
That highlight though.
Please don't forget to subscribe down below. I don't know if it's on the left or the right, but don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and follow my Instagram or whatever social accounts are listed down below. Thank you for stopping by. Bye bye. I'm just looking at the viewfinder. I should be looking at the lens, but this is kind of creepy now.